up, y'all, man? It's your boy GQ. I'm here again with another video. I got a special video for you guys today, and guess what? I have a package, and today I received in the mail my DJI Mini 2. So obviously the DJI Mini 2 is a drone. I'm going to be using this drone for different shots and just using it on my rides and my different moto vlogs to get some different angles and different perspectives for you guys. So today I'm not going to even waste no time and get right into it. I'm going to do a quick little unboxing. Try to make this as quick as possible without tearing the box up. Let's see. All right, boom. So this is the DJI Mini 2, which is obviously an upgrade from the Mini 1, and it comes in nice little case. I don't know what kind of material it is. It's not velvet, but
this is
it is what it is. I got the Fly More combo, so it's supposed to come with extra batteries and chargers and whatnot. And I'll open this thing up. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, here we go. This thing is small. Like, this thing is like super small. Wow. Look at this. Look how small this is, y'all. This literally fits in the palm of your hand. That's cool, ain't it? And it has some instructions on the back. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. So I'm assuming this little area right here is the propeller holder. Alright, so we got that, the actual drone. And this is the flight controller. I'm about to say, what are sticks? I'm assuming it's in there somewhere, but looks like a video game controller. I don't know nothing about this one. I had a Phantom 3 Pro a while back. Obviously they've upgraded since then. On the controller it has normal mode, cine mode, and sport mode. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I guess that just allows you to get different shots and adjust different settings in the camera. The accessories, we have accessories box, and we got, this is a dual, it's like a dual USB-C charger. I think you hook your camera, not your camera, you hook your phone to the controller, so you can charge your controller or charge your phone. Have here okay, here we go. So it comes with this triple battery controller. I say controller, charger. Pretty convenient, pretty neat. It's really small. I'm keep tripping on how small this is. Like, even the battery, like the battery charger is like small, like super small. This is about the same. Like, everything is about the same size. It's pretty cool. Excellent portability. And this is, I'm assuming, instructions. Yep. So we got a starting guide here. Some other stuff. The charging hub. I'll get into all of that later. And actual charger. Or wall piece, and then it's another dual USB-C, and the actual charger to the wall socket. I'm still looking for, where's the, oh, okay, here it is right here. This cool. Look at this, y'all. So the actual sticks, there's a piece right up in here. And it stores the sticks to the controller. Voila. and you just screw it in. One, and pull the other one out. And two. I don't want to just push and tear nothing open right now because I really don't know what I'm doing. I'll just kind of take it slow and see. This is a rubberized piece. Has buttons on here for recording and picture. You see right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like right there. And matter of fact, I might open this up. I ain't about to play this game just all. Oh, there it is right there. Push it out. And you stick your phone inside of this little piece. So where's my phone? Stick your phone in. Oh snap, I done turned it on, y'all. It goes like that. There's an app that you need to download, the DJI Fly app, and it is gonna sync your phone and stuff to it. It allows you to view everything in real time. You can also download your video straight to your phone, so you can, if you want to just upload something to social media real quick, you go ahead and do that. Some other stuff, that you can do as well. Somebody knocking on my door, so that's crazy. I'm like, who's that? But alright, here we go right there. Let me take that off. And it's another. I know this. It's another USB-C. Oh no, this is for iPhone. So there's one. The one with the iPhone comes in it already. Okay, so let me see. This is USB-C. So that's pretty neat. They made sure that all phone types have the correct connections for it. So everything for the DJI, for the actual drone, is USB-C. But you have USB mini connection, and you have USB-C to USB-C, and then you have USB-C to iPhone. So that's cool, but I'm not using the iPhone. I'm gonna take that out and then plug in my USB-C. Snaps in pretty cool, pretty quick. And let's see which way I had, how this thing go. I'll figure it out a little bit later. But all in all, controller feels pretty comfortable. Has a home button on here, and I know the home button, wherever you're flying your drone, everything works off GPS signals. So when you press home, the initial GPS point, or where you are currently, and you press the home button, it's gonna fly back right to you. Go ahead and open this part up. I'm low-key kind of scared to even take it off. It's so small. Okay, it's a snap. There we go. Got a snap. So this is the blade holder, and one, unfold the front arms forward. So it's giving you instructions without me reading the instructions on which arms to take out first, so you don't mess nothing up. It says unfold the front arms forward. Boom. Boom. 2, unfold the rear arms downward. It says it right there. Oh, okay, literally downward. Wow. And it has a gimbal cover, a camera cover, camera lens cover, already attached to it. So this is how big this thing is, y'all. Like, this is like really super small. Super small. I'm excited too. It says charge to activate battery for the first time. So okay, where does the battery go? Assume the battery goes here. How do I open it? Once again, I don't want to mess nothing up, so I'll go back and really get into the nuances of it. I just want to show you guys a little bit about it. There's propeller guards everywhere. This is neat. I'm still tripping out, like, this is small. This is really small. So if you're on the road, you want to get some good area shots where you are. I know when you have bigger drones, you have to register with the FCC or the FAA, excuse me, and get different types of clearances. But because it's so small and so lightweight, I believe you could kind of like get around some of that. So I'm excited to get out here and just like do a couple of shots, and I'll show you guys. I'll do a test flight video pretty soon. So that's it, y'all. Comes in a small case. It doesn't take up a lot of space. This whole thing folds up pretty nice and neat, so I can just throw this in my saddlebags when I'm on the highway, and whenever I'm ready to get a nice scenic video or picture. It's literally in the palm of your hand. You just let it take off and land, literally right in the palm of your hand as well. So that's all I got for you guys today. Just want to show you guys a little bit about it. Once again, it comes with 3 batteries. The Fly More combos, 3 batteries, controller, the different connections for your phone, the camera, obviously, wall socket, wall charger, and nice carrying case. This retails, the Fly More combo retails for $4.99, which is not a bad deal. I don't believe so. There's other comparable smaller, I don't say smaller, but just as small drones out there that you can get for probably about $100 cheaper. But I know DJI is a tried and proven brand, and I really stand by their products. I haven't owned a Phantom 3 Pro, so I can't wait to get this out and show you guys some footage. So as always, if you haven't, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to the channel as well, because I'm out here just doing my thing. This is GQ signing off, telling you guys to be safe, be cool, be you, and peace out.